Andres.
Elvis, my man.
Team card.
St. Louis Cardinals team card. Gunnar Henderson.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, he's good. We got the.
Oh, Brewers. Bryce Terrain. No way.
Bryce Terrain.
Oh, that's a
Yeah. Yep. Ooh, look at this Terrain.
Topps trophy.
That's a sick one, Beckett. That's sick.
Bryce
Terrain.
Argento Kirk.
Yep.
Marcus Stroman.
Endemundo Sosa.
Alex Bergman.
Oh, you got a Bergman?
Bregman.
Yeah, Bergman. And Stars on the Meat, Jose Altuve. Hey, we got Bergman and Altuve. Same pack.
I think it's Altuve.
Yeah, Altuve. It's Altuve.
35th anniversary of Topps.
No, don't do this. Don't do that. Don't do this.
Yeah.
Don't do this.
First messing up the packs. He's so sketchy. Why you be like that?
Scene Man
Sumania?
Missing.
Steven Cruz.
Yep. Oh, whoops.
Oopsie.
Kerry Carpenter. That was
Blake Snell.
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 That's good. That's good.
Color
Snell.
variant or no?
No, just normal card. Still pretty good though. Good player. Why didn't they put that in series?
Mike Kirchman.
They did series 2. Oh, dang. If it was series 1, Ellie De La Cruz would be.
Oswald Perez.
Oh, we got a future. Oswald Perez. Future Stars. Tanner BB. Tanner BB.
Texas Rangers.
Team card.
Wait,
Wait, that's the World Series.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Yankees?
No, Rangers World Series. It's a cool
Oh,
card.
yeah, Texas Rangers. I forgot they won.
Jose Alvarado. No.
Superstar greeting.
Alvarado.
Who was it?
Mike Trout.
Mike Trout and Bobby Witt Jr. It's a cool card.
Kevin
that's a
Grinner.
Kevin Ginkel. Shiny.
Nolan Arenado.
Ooh. Nolan Arenado. Okay, here we got the thick card. Don't look.
Hopefully
it comes in the thick. Wait, can I see it? Oh, it's got numbered.
I think we got a numbered in there.
Yep.
Rose Springline.
Probably.
Ross Stripling. Junior Camerino.
Ryan Abreu.
Right.
We gotta get in this for the last part.
Okay. Beckett, get in.
T.Y. France.
I'm ready to
Ty
steal up that
France.
thing, bro.
Tyrone Taylor.
Tay.
Matt.
Bro.
Chapman.
Tay days. Switching teams from the Brewers.
Really?
Used to be my favorite player.
Actually? Who is it?
Ty Taylor used
Forrest
to be on the
Wall.
Brewers. I got
we're
some
getting to the
ball.
good stuff.
Austin Riley.
Ooh, that's good.
Not color variant though. Put that
Not
with the good
color
players
variant.
though. For sure.
Josh Harden.
No, Josh Hart.
Josh Hader?
Yeah, Hader.
He's a hater, bro.
Andrew LeCups.
No, it's just 2. No way. It's just 2. Oh, it's a Topps Chrome. Manny Machado Topps Chrome. See, it's a Topps Chrome. Is this number? It's like thicker. No, it's not numbered.
You said 36 number.
Yeah, there was one that was numbered, I swore.
Oh, yeah, no. Relook again.
Mason Wynn.
Look again.
No,
I thought it came
there might be a short print in there.
Yeah.
I
Try it.
don't think there's a.
Yeah, there's no. Is there another pack?
No, that's it.
Wait, what did the box say? What does it come with? Oh, it doesn't. Usually, like the 2022 set, says it comes with a helmet card, batting helmet.
Because Jackson got the.
Yeah, I got the 2022 one.
Wait.
Got some good cards.
Yeah, so.
Okay, got some good ones.
Yeah, in between
Yeah.
cards while I get ready for the next box.
I didn't get this one, but I just packed it. Jackson Curio Tops Now rookie.
Yeah, the tops now. Some of them are
Yeah.
pretty
No,
good.
I don't know why. Dylan Kies, 1,215 out of 2022. I don't know.
Why do you?
Yeah, why do you number it? Why do you know?
I mean, I get it.
Yeah, like why do you number it
in
at
the
that point?
300s, I would get it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
no,
then
I'm
we've
gonna
got
start
the-
taking the wrapping off of this.
Jackie Robinson die cut. It's pretty
Can I
sick.
see that?
Yeah. And then we have Home Run Challenge. It's from 2022, so doesn't really matter. Matt Olson. No hitter Randy Johnson card. And then the helmet. So like this is what usually comes in the boxes. Anthony Redon, numbered out of 299. Helmet, batting card. Cool.
We got this
Okay,
now.
here we go.
We're ready with the foil.
Let's go.
Big Chungus pack, bro.
Okay, me and Beckett going.
So we got 5 autos in this, and
And
then we got 2 base cards.
Here.
Gotta
I'll go right
see
here.
what we get.
I'll go right here, Beckett. You go on that side.
Need something good.
Yes, we need something good.
By the luck of our big boy Snorlax.
And where's Chunky?
Yep.
Chunky.
We just found this guy random.
Yeah, Chunky.
Yeah, found him on the streets looking for
Chunky.
cheese.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Good luck. I'll hold the Snorlax.
and Chunky guy
And Chunky,
that we found
let's
on
go.
the street, and
Yep. Let's go. Let's get into this.
they really don't want this getting stolen.
No.
Found like the strongest sticker in the world. Oh, and it even has a safety seal sticker on it.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, like it even says like the safety sticker packaging on it after I took off the sticker. That's crazy.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay.
What? How did they?
Oh, yeah.
Gotta go with the black
You know
box.
Oh, you know what's fancy now.
More packaging in the back.
Okay.
Got a black blind box. Gotta keep that box. That's a good one. Okay, it's in a case.
That's good.
There's a 3 of 3 on the back.
Three on the back.
Okay, we gotta find out what that is later.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I do. Yeah, I gotta take the stickers off. It's so much.
I think someone's wrapping up, man.
I know.
It better be good.
That's good cards though.
Yeah.
3 of 3s, autographs,
Okay, the 2 base cards should be at the front, and then the 3 good ones.
and the back.
Yeah.
What do we got for chase cards? Now, what do we need? Oh, come on. People at the door.
What's the chase card?
We got Caleb Williams.
Yeah, the
that we gotta
Caleb
try to
Williams.
get.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Autumn from the middle school dance team, and we're raising funds for coffee. Would you like to donate or not today?
Oh, I already did for somebody through one of the other neighbors.
Oh, thank you.
People do not ring the doorbell at the right time.
Okay.
I don't like that.
Okay, there you go. No. Okay, here we go.
So we got Carnell Tate as a base card. Ooh, there's a good one. It's still a base card, but it's still good. Anthony Richardson, ice, cracked ice. Okay, now we're getting into
here we
the
go to
sweet
the
stuff.
autos.
Ooh,
Number
yeah.
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. A Donnie Mitchell autograph. Gotta put that on the sleeve right away. Hudson card. Hudson card on a card. It's a good cracked ice autograph. Still coming in with some more.
Oh, we got a lot more.
Brock Vandegrift. Going with a good one next.
Ooh.
Dual autograph.
Okay, it's not
CJ Daniels and Quentin Cooley. Stop. Colorful combos. And Dante Moore. Those are some good ones. And we still have the Anthony Richardson card tape.
And that.
That's how much they protected these cards. It's crazy. All in luck of Big Boy, Chunky Snorlax, and Road Guy.
Roadkill. Okay.
Yeah, some good packs.
Yep.
Got some good cards.
Sensei Fire Fist.
Did not get the Caleb
Caleb
Williams
Williams.
dazzling. Wish we would have though.
Yeah.
Would have been nice.
Yep.
Still try to find some other good cards in other videos. If you checked out some videos before this, we got a CJ Stroud pink. We got some other good ones too, but we're gonna keep looking for
And the
better
rest of the
cards.
ones are good.
Yeah, the Retro Bowl videos. If you want to watch those are cool. Otherwise, we're going to be trying to open more packs and add them to the channel as much as we can. Have Jackson in some videos.
Yep.
Have some other stuff.
Anybody else gonna be on?
We might get some other people from the baseball team. We might actually do a wiffle ball video.
Or junk ball.
Junk ball. You know what that is.
They're pretty cool.
Yeah, they're like custom balls so you can...
They're not custom. They're mystery.
Well, they're custom made, and then you buy them out of blind packs.
Yeah.
So we're gonna.
Oh, I got the Abominable today.
Always buying stuff. Never know what happens next. What do you think's next? Like, I don't know. He pulls a Caleb Williams.
I don't know. Maybe I should have opened it.
Yeah, maybe you should go spend like $200 and go find some stuff.
Then I'd be broke.
Yeah, that's also a lot of money. Just go buy the Caleb Williams
Okay.
for like $200 already. So check us out in some more videos.
Yep.
Might do another one today, actually.
Make sure to subscribe.
Always subscribe. Otherwise, I will hate you for the rest of my life. Okay, if you're watching, just subscribe. That's all I have to say. Subscribe. It's all the things in the world.
Okay. Bye.